Hello everyone, I am Dr. B. Mohanapriya, Assistant Professor in Department of Mathematics, Women'scollege College, Salem.
Modeling computation. In this section, we are going to see about a finite state machine with outputs, without outputs, and turning machines. There are three main concepts in this modeling computations. Finite state machines with output. A finite state machine consists of finite set S and finite inputs alphabet and finite output alphabet. A transition function f that assigns to each state an input pair a new state. A output function g that assigns to each state an input pair an output and an initial state. We can use the state table to represent the value of the transition function f and the output function g for all the pairs of states and input. The finite machine with the output can be used to recognize a language by giving an output of 1, when a string from the language can be read and a 0 otherwise. There are other types of finite machines that are specially designed for recognizing language, that is finite state machine without no output. A string is recognized if and only if it takes there a starting stage of one of these finite states. The operation that will be defined here will be used extensively in our discussion of language recognized by the finite state machines. The language recognized by the finite state machines can be accepted by the machine M, denoted by L of M, is the set of all strings that recognized by M. A finite state automata. A finite state machine with no output, such machines are also called a finite state automata. The turning machines. The turning machines consists of control unit which at any one step finitely many different states together with a tape divided into cells which is infinitely in the both direction. The turning machines are more powerful than a finite state machine because they include the memory capacity that the finite state machines lacks. Uses of turning machine to recognize the set. A finite state machine of a turning machine is stated that is not the first state in any five-tuples in the description of turning machine using five-tuples. Computation functions with the turning machines. Suppose that the turning machine T, when given the string X as an input, the HAL with the string Y on its step. Define T of X equal to Y. To consider a turning machine, a computer of a function from the set of k tuples of non-negative integer to the set of non-negative integer. Such functions are also called as numerical theory functions. We also can be represent it by unary of integers. Different types of turning machines are there in the finite state machines. The capability of turning machines in a wide variety of ways. The turning machine can move right and left. Allow the turning machine to operate a multiple tapes using 2 plus 3n tuples to describe the turning machine when n tapes are used. Allow the tapes to two-dimensional. We can move up, down, right and left. Allow the turning machine to non-determinate. Hope you can understand this finite state machine. Thank you.